age sound. Age. Please repeat, children. Age. Age. St. Age. St. Age. Stage. Stage. P. Age. P. Age. Page. Page. K. Age. K. Age. Cage. Cage. Stage. Page. Cage. Let's read the words with ain sound. Ain. Please repeat, children. Ain. Ain. P. Ain. P. Ain. Pain. Pain. R. Ain. R. Ain. Rain. Rain. Bur. Ain. Bur. Ain. Brain. Brain. Pain. Rain. Brain. Children, let's read the words with ale sound. Ale. Please repeat. Ale. 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 P. Ale. P. Ale. Pale. Pale. T. Ale. T. Ale. Tail. Tail. N. Ale. N. Ale. Nail. Nail. S. Ale. S. Ale. Sail. Sail. Pale. Tail. Nail. Sail. Keep it up, children. Here are more examples. Words that end in ate. Ate. Children, I will read first the word, then you will repeat after me. Ready? Mate. Bait. Hate. Fate. Good job. Words that end in ache. Ache. Please repeat after me. Bake. Wake. Fake. Make. Excellent. Let's read more. Words that end in ape. Ape. Read after me. Cape. Vape. Tape. Nape. Good job. Words that end in ale. Ale. Repeat after me. Bail. Mail. Fail. Rail. Nice work. Keep it up, children. See you around.